crap. Hold on. I have the fire alarm to go off. Yo guys, welcome to the video. So I'm pretty much gonna show you guys what I eat in a day to pretty much keep my muscles, stay lean, make me feeling good, and have everything in my body working right. What I got here today, guys, is chicken breast. I also do 93% lean, 10% fat ground turkey. So to pretty much make y'all guys' lives easier, I always use a non-stick pan. As far as my carb, I do jasmine rice. I cook 2 cups of jasmine rice. We're gonna put 4 cups of water in the pot. So you guys, what we're gonna do is here, pour our rice in, 2 cups of rice. Okay guys, now we have our cut chicken breast. For our seasoning today is pretty simple. Kosher salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. That's it. You can add anything you want in your chicken breast. You want to add some, you know what I'm saying, Italian seasoning, whatever you like. Add whatever you like to your chicken breast. It does not matter. Black pepper on here, some smoked paprika on, kosher salt. We're gonna start cooking the ground turkey and the chicken. Well, that look good. We do the same thing we do with our chicken, we do with our ground turkey. Some kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder. So now we have our chicken and our ground turkey cooking. Our rice just finished. So now we're just gonna wait to cook these up. Yeah, so we'll be eating here soon. All right, looks like our ground turkey is done. We're gonna bring our turkey over here and we're gonna drain it. Just gonna go ahead and let that drain up a little bit. All right, looks like our chicken is done. So we're gonna go ahead and move our chicken over here. Just like that. All right, perfect guys. Now that our ground turkey is about finished draining and we got our chicken here, we're gonna cut our chicken up and we're gonna put them onto our plates. Here's our chicken. Oh my God, that looks delicious. That's pure protein right there. We're pushing protein. We're gonna start with our shredded chicken first. Okay, we got our cooked ground turkey here. Now, as far as our vegetable, you guys can really do any vegetable you want. I like doing fresh broccoli. I cook me some broccoli, I throw it in the pan, cook it a little bit, let it get a little roasted. Drop it in here. So now we're gonna let our broccoli cook. All right guys, our broccoli is done. And there you go guys, that is a complete meal prep video. That is what I eat pretty much throughout the week. And this just really looks delicious right now, I'm not gonna lie. If you wanna get stronger, if you want to build muscle, if you wanna look lean, make sure you meal prep. It's super important because if you don't meal prep, you're gonna, go to fast food when you don't feel like cooking anything. You're gonna go eat other stuff when you have food cooked at home already. It kind of builds discipline inside you to make sure you're doing that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to see anything else, let me know, and I'll see you guys later.